can't believe you did this to me, Ipsy. Okay, how are you guys? My makeup is a little expired now, so let's just keep our glasses on, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing an Ipsy unboxing in the car. So we gotta do what we gotta do. There are days when I have no time to film. It's already the end of the week and I still don't have any video for you guys. So I want to get this out, and plus, you know, like with shipping and everything, it always screws my plan. Like I have all of my videos planned for the whole month, and when boxes don't arrive in time, I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I don't know what I'm gonna show you guys. And I just scramble for something. But today in the mail, my Ipsy bag finally arrived. So I'm so excited about this one. Last month was an epic Ipsy bag. It was one of the best I've ever had. I'm gonna stick to Ipsy because I want to try to get the Ipsy X Glambag. Anyways, this is the Ipsy Glambag for May. It's around $13 a month, and you get deluxe sample size items. Sometimes they throw in a full-size brush in there, which I love. I've been very happy with what I get from Ipsy for the price. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Super duper pretty bag. Ipsy has the best like bag design, and I feel like it's like super great quality. It has this little tassel here, says Ipsy, so it's very nice. I love this floral, perfect for May. And let's get the card out first. Flower Power is the theme of the month. We love moms. Mother's Day. Ooh, they have a Mother's Day giveaway. I didn't know that. And inside the card, oh, I can't believe you did this to me, Ipsy. They don't have like the list of the products that I get in my bag. So now I don't really know what I'm getting and how much they cost. Oh well, that's okay. All right, so in case you're wondering, I'm here at the aquatic center where my kids go to swim. They are taking their swim lessons. I mean, not swim lessons, swim practice. I'm the one who needs I'm the one who needs swim lessons. They don't. Okay, let's start with this one. Celia or Celine Tadrisi Cream Rose body lotion. So this is what it looks like right here. I tried it already. It was sealed, but I took out the seal and it looks like this. Okay, and I used it on my hands and it was good at first. Like it felt super hydrating, but from my drive from my home to my to the aquatic center, the hydration was gone. So if it's not good enough for my hands, most likely it's not going to be good enough for my body. Let me try to put this here because it's just kind of too sunny on this side. Anyways, I love the scent. It smells really good. Let me see what we have in the bag. Okay, I'll just pick the first one. Oh, Skin & Co. I love their eye cream. This one is Morning Dew Ultra Gentle Botanical Face Cleansing Gel. Ooh. I hope you guys can see this, but love the packaging with Skin & Co. Very expensive. I have their eye cream just like the mini, small, super small, tiny size. It's very hydrating. I love trying new cleansers. I'm all about it. All right, we got Skin & Co., another great brand. It's a brand I'm familiar with, so I'm glad it's in my bag. Okay, honestly, guys, after this, I have to go back home, pick up my daughter, and take her to her swim practice because she has a different swim practice time as my son, obviously, because they're different age groups. So I'm like back and forth. Oh, okay. Nars lipstick rouge, something like that. I got a Nars lipstick. Of course, it's a super mini size, like super little tiny. But I love that I got this. Okay, I think I've only tried one Nars lipstick. It's the liquid lipstick one. I've never tried the Nars bullet lipstick. The color that I got is Tolade, and it's a satin lip. And it's definitely my color. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it because I don't think I've tried this formula from Nars before. Oh my gosh. It's my kind of color, guys. What do you guys think? Perfect every day. Here, I'm gonna swatch it for you. I'm gonna get this. I need the full size of this. Really, I need the full size. Ah, so cute. I'm gonna put it in my little jar of minis. I love this. Okay, not bad, Ipsy, not bad. Smart nail polish. Ooh, I don't know. I might put this in a giveaway. It's by Helios. Comment down below if you've heard of this brand before. I personally haven't. Let's see. This is the color. So, what do you guys think? That's a nice pink color. It might be a little too light for me. I'm gonna open this and save this for the giveaway. If not, I'll give it to my daughter. Like, she loves these kinds of nail polishes. And then the last one, the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel. It's another mini size right there. Ooh, I love the Anastasia packaging. So pretty. This is in the dark brown, so it might work for me. It's so tiny. Oh my gosh, it's still I didn't think it could get any tinier than this, but it did, because there's, like, you know, there's more packaging inside, and so it's actually smaller than that. Here's the thing with Ipsy and their minis, okay? Please don't insult me. Don't insult me, Ipsy. It's okay, I'm just kidding. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gels. Let's just go ahead and try it. The wand feels super dry. I don't know. It's so tiny, it probably dried up already. Kind of a fail. Aww. I would have wanted a brush. But yeah, so what do you guys think? I mean, not bad. I'm super excited for the lipstick. The hand lotion, you know, I mean, I could always use a hand lotion. I'm definitely gonna keep this in the car for emergencies. This is the only one that I'll probably put in a giveaway. I bet this is the full size item that I got this month. I love my Nars. Definitely love the one that I got from Skin & Co, the cleanser, and it's a nice size. I think I could get 3 uses out of this. I think I'm most excited for the Nars lipstick and this Ipsy bag. It's gorgeous. What do you guys think of my Ipsy bag? Do you like it? Was it worth the money? I definitely think so. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews and some unboxings here and there. So stick around, join the family. There's always something to learn here. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!